Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, has gained significant popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits and effectiveness in promoting weight loss. This low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis, where it primarily burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. One of the key principles of the keto diet is to minimize carbohydrate intake, which includes cutting out foods high in sugar and refined carbs. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 keto-friendly foods that are not only devoid of carbs, but also free from added sugars. These foods can help you maintain ketosis and stay on track with your ketogenic lifestyle while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado, often hailed as a superfood, is a keto eater's best friend. This creamy, green fruit is naturally low in carbohydrates and contains no added sugar. In fact, avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, making them an ideal source of energy on a keto diet. They are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and folate. Incorporating avocados into your keto meal plan can provide essential nutrients and help you feel satiated, all while keeping your carb intake in check. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's a perfect choice for those following a keto diet due to its minimal carbohydrate content and absence of sugar. Salmon is renowned for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which supports brain health, reduces inflammation, and promotes heart health. Additionally, it provides an excellent source of protein and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and selenium. Enjoy grilled or baked salmon as a centerpiece in your keto-friendly meals for a healthy dose of fats and protein without any added carbs or sugar. Number 3. Spinach. Leafy greens are a keto eater's secret weapon, and spinach is one of the most versatile and nutritious options available. This low-carb, sugar-free vegetable is loaded with vitamins, especially vitamin K, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Whether you sauté it with some olive oil or add it to your morning omelette, incorporating spinach into your diet is a smart choice for keto enthusiasts looking to boost their nutrient intake while staying in ketosis. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a classic keto staple, and for good reason. They contain virtually no carbs or sugar, making them an ideal choice for those following a ketogenic diet. Eggs are a complete protein source, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Additionally, they are rich in vitamins like B12, riboflavin, and choline, which support brain function and overall health. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are an excellent way to maintain ketosis while enjoying a delicious and nutritious meal. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is often hailed as the chameleon of the vegetable world due to its versatility in keto cooking. With only a fraction of the carbs found in potatoes and no added sugar, cauliflower can be used to create low-carb substitutes for some of your favorite high-carb dishes. From cauliflower rice to cauliflower pizza crust, this cruciferous vegetable allows you to enjoy familiar flavors while adhering to your keto goals. Additionally, cauliflower is a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as fiber, which can aid in digestion and help you feel full. Number 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a superstar in the keto community for its high fat content and negligible carbohydrate and sugar levels. It's a source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly absorbed by the body and converted into energy, making it an excellent choice for fueling your keto lifestyle. Coconut oil is not only great for cooking but can also be added to smoothies or used as a base for keto-friendly desserts. Its natural sweetness can help satisfy sugar cravings without compromising your carb intake. Number 7. Cheese. Cheese lovers rejoice. Many varieties of cheese, including cheddar, mozzarella, and cream cheese, are low in carbs and free from sugar. Cheese is a rich source of high-quality fats and protein, making it a satisfying and tasty addition to your keto diet. It's also packed with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins. While enjoying cheese in moderation can enhance your ketogenic experience, be mindful of portion sizes to keep calorie intake in check. Number 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that can be easily incorporated into a keto diet. Options like almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are low in carbs and naturally sugar-free. They provide healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and vitamin E. Snacking on a handful of nuts or sprinkling seeds on your salads can add texture and flavor while keeping you on track with your carb restriction. Number 9. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are keto diet staples, offering a rich source of protein and healthy fats while being devoid of carbs and sugar. Options like beef, chicken, pork, and lamb can be prepared in various ways to suit your taste preferences. They also contain important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which support overall health and well-being. When shopping for meat and poultry, choose grass-fed or pasture-raised options when possible to maximize the nutritional benefits. Number 10. Berries in moderation. While most fruits are restricted on a keto diet due to their high sugar content, some berries can be enjoyed in moderation. Options like raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are relatively low in carbs and sugar when compared to other fruits. They are also packed with antioxidants and fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote overall health. Incorporating a small serving of berries into your keto meal plan as an occasional treat can satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your ketosis. In conclusion, we've uncovered the top 10 keto-friendly foods that are not only free of carbs and sugar but also packed with essential nutrients to support your health and wellness journey. Whether you're already following a ketogenic diet or considering making the switch, these foods can be your allies in achieving your goals. But we're not done yet. To stay updated with more exciting content on health, nutrition, and lifestyle, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family who are on a keto journey, drop us a comment with your thoughts and questions, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of our vibrant community, and you'll never miss out on valuable tips, recipes, and insights to help you lead a healthier and happier life. Your support keeps us motivated to create more informative and engaging content just for you. So, remember, your journey to a healthier you begins with the right knowledge and the right choices. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more keto-friendly wisdom with you in the future. Stay keto, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.